Hello ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to another vlog. We are here in the beautiful Red Hook. Look at that. We got some decommissioned boat over there. We got some weird ass building. We're actually gonna go around there in a second here, but I'm rocking a thing called Zero Fit, and that is something I've mentioned in the previous video, but it's basically a base layer from Gods, because right now it's 40, feels like 30, and not only am I not cold, I'm actually starting to get a little toasty on my back standing here, even though there's no sun. It's crazy. Also, can't underestimate the Revit Gore-Tex Pro suit I got here. But yeah, I also got Zero Fit socks and all that. I'm still waiting on my Revit gloves. I have a set of heated gloves coming. So that's gonna be fun. But for now, we're just exploring. I literally have zero places I want to be. It is a Thanksgiving day, so the fact that I'm not with my family is indeed a little bit criminal. But it's all good. I don't think there is a light here, so we can probably just use our discretion. Nice. Folks playing some soccer. Got another Amazon facility here. A lot of shit has been built up around here. I believe that's the IKEA right there. Yeah. Don't think there's a camera here either. But there is a car behind me, so we shall respect. Even though it's whatever. Nope, that don't matter who that is. Nobody. Ain't nobody. Whoa, you see that? You feel that? I got blown around a little bit here. Alright, so now we're gonna go to the left here. There we go. Cute. Adorable. And here's the impound lot coming up. So windy here. This is where they take all the mopeds and all the motorcycles. I guess they put this green shit all over it so you can't see it, but yeah, that's where they live. Literally, there's like thousands of them in there. Look. And there's more over here too. See them? We got dirt bikes. We got all sorts of shit. Look at that. Crazy. 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 Let's get out of here before they take my bike, right? Nice little pile here. Oh yeah, this building burned down. Right over there. Let's go check it out. Forgot about that block. Got IKEA over here. Freaking IKEA Central. IKEA Central over here. Shoot. Very cute. There we go. The exploration continues, boys and girls. Amazon facility here. Is this the area? No. It's not it. This is not it. Brunt. This is unfortunately where that building burned down. Yeah, this whole motherfucker. This whole motherfucker is screwed. Yeah. Alright, boys and girls, I think I'm gonna leave you here because I'm just gonna take some pictures and some video and other shit, so I will talk to you later, okay? Alright, bye.